Start by marking the fiber to at least 3 centimeters. Carefully strip away the tight buffer coating back to the added mark. Strip in small sections to avoid fiber damage until only bare fiber remains. If you're using 250 micron fiber, you may remove the 3 centimeter of acrylate all at once. Clean the fiber with a dust-free wipe. Fix the 900 micron fiber into the left side of the cutting jig. Make sure that the end of the tight buffer coating meets the tight buffer limit. If you're using the 250 micron fiber, place the fiber on the right side and make sure that the end of the acrylate coating meets the end of the cutting jig. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder side of the cleaver, making sure that the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Add one of the black lockers onto one end of the splicer, but do not push it down entirely. Insert the fiber until you feel slight resistance. Push the black locker down to hold the fiber in place. Repeat the previous steps for the opposite side. Once both fibers are in, push the yellow lock down to complete the assembly.